Pre, ingat ah. Sige na bro.
Shout out po kami sa inyo.
You know it's Christmas in Cranbrook when everyone sees you.
Pre, narinig niyo yan?
Oo nga, no.
Magka-Christmas na raw. Paano yan? Ano yung regalo natin doon sa tatlo?
Hindi ko maisip.
What you gonna do with that dessert? Do what, do I need that, do that, eat that. Do what, do that, eat that, do that, eat that. Do what, do that, eat that, do that, eat that. Murder that, dance up, dance up. Make, murder, make, murder that. Make, murder, murder, make, murder that. Make, murder, murder that.
Are you saving that dessert for me? Cause if you are, baby, you know.
Alam ko na! Online shopping!
Tama.
Sige ba, may naman?
Ano kaya maganda i-regalo dun sa tatlo? Guys, tulungan nyo naman kami. Comment down below. Yeah.